Can you believe it? A renowned novelist, Taylor Bradford, is 91 years old but looks like she's just 59. Not only is she famous for her best-selling novels, but she is also an icon of healthy and positive living. What secrets have helped her maintain her youthful appearance and vibrant health, creating a lifestyle that many admire? Let's explore these secrets with the 8 MinHealthTips channel. In the quest for eternal youth, many seek out elixirs, treatments, and miracle cures. However, the secret to maintaining a youthful appearance and vibrant health often lies in the foods we eat. Here we explore 3 types of foods that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can help keep you looking and feeling young. 3 foods to keep you young forever. 1. Fish, the nutrient powerhouse. Fish, particularly fatty varieties like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are revered for their rich nutrient profile. These fish are excellent sources of high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and have been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, better brain function, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. When preparing fish, it's essential to retain as much of its nutritional value as possible. Baking, grilling, or sautéing fish are the best methods, as they preserve the beneficial fats and other nutrients without adding excessive unhealthy fats. Consuming fish regularly can help maintain skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and provide the body with essential nutrients that support overall health and longevity. 2. Steamed vegetables, nutrient-dense and delicious. Green vegetables are a cornerstone of a healthy diet, providing an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Steaming is one of the best methods to cook vegetables, as it preserves their nutritional content better than other cooking methods like boiling, which can leach nutrients into the water. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts are particularly nutrient-dense, offering a rich supply of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants and fiber. These nutrients are vital for maintaining healthy skin, supporting immune function, and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Antioxidants found in green vegetables help combat oxidative stress, a key factor in the aging process, by neutralizing free radicals that can damage cells and accelerate aging. Including a variety of steamed green vegetables in your daily diet can contribute to a youthful appearance and overall vitality. 3. Nuts and whole grains, the healthy snack and staple. Nuts and whole grains are another category of foods that can contribute to a youthful appearance and long-term health. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants. It also helps maintain skin hydration and elasticity. Whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats, provide complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients like B vitamins and minerals. These foods help maintain steady energy levels, support digestive health, and provide sustained satiety, which can help with weight management. The fiber in whole grains also promotes a healthy gut, which is increasingly recognized as a critical factor in overall health and well-being. Additional tips for staying youthful. While diet plays a significant role in maintaining youthfulness, other lifestyle factors are equally important. Here are some additional practices that can help keep you looking and feeling young. 1. Minimal use of medication. Focus on vitamins. A healthy diet should provide most of the essential nutrients your body needs. However, certain vitamins and supplements can be beneficial, especially if you have specific dietary restrictions or health conditions. It's generally advisable to minimize the use of medications unless absolutely necessary and instead focus on getting nutrients from natural sources. If needed, supplements like vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and a good multivitamin can support overall health. 2. Skincare routine, the importance of cleansing. Taking care of your skin is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance. A key part of any skincare routine is cleansing, especially before bed. Removing makeup and any accumulated dirt and pollutants from the day prevents clogged pores and breakouts. It also allows the skin to breathe and regenerate overnight. A gentle cleanser, followed by a moisturizer suited to your skin type, can keep your skin looking fresh and healthy. 3. Sleep, the ultimate rejuvenator. Quality sleep is one of the most underrated aspects of maintaining a youthful appearance and good health. Aim to get to bed early, ideally between 10 and 11 p.m., to ensure you get enough restorative sleep. During sleep, the body repairs itself, producing collagen and other essential proteins that keep the skin firm and elastic. Lack of sleep can lead to dark circles, puffy eyes, and a dull complexion. Moreover, chronic sleep deprivation is linked to numerous health issues including obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. 4. Start your day with coffee. For many, coffee is an essential part of the morning routine. In addition to providing a much-needed energy boost, coffee is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which can help protect the body against free radical damage. Research has also shown that regular coffee consumption may reduce the risk of certain diseases, including Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and some types of cancer. However, it's important to consume coffee in moderation and be mindful of added sugars and creamers, which can negate its health benefits. Remember, the key to staying young is not just in what you eat, but also in how you live. Prioritize a balanced, nutrient-rich diet, stay active, manage stress, and nurture your mental and emotional health. With these practices, you can enjoy a life full of energy, happiness, and longevity. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe to the 8 MinHealthTips channel so you won't miss our next exciting videos.